Saturday.
Political ano daw?
Opo,
Gathering.
Political gathering sa Saturday. So, hindi po tayo...
Magandang morning po sa ating lahat, mga kaibigan, mga kababayan, buong Pilipinas, buong mundo. Ang oras po dito sa The Hague, Netherlands, wait lang, alauna ng hapon, mga kapartners. Okay, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Lan Van Riegan. Dito po ang binyo sa Saturday, mga kapartners, malaking event ang rally with Vice President Sara Duterte. At itong exhibit ngayon hanggang June 2 po ito, sabi ni Miss Jazz po Riegan, mga partners. So marami pong mga ibang lahi na pumunta sa lugar na ito upang basahin po yung mga exhibit po ng ating mahal na dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Kaya sa mga kababayan natin Pilipino, galing sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo, ayan, mayroon pong katanungan si Sir Alvin sa akin. Wait lang. Nako, asba. Wait lang, Sir Alvin. Naka-live na ako dito sa Lan Van Riegan. Ayan. So, grabe guys, no? Ito, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga exhibition. Exhibition ni Tatay Digong. Hi, Ma'am! Happy birthday again! So, pinapakita ko lang sa taong bayan tong mga ano.
See you Saturday!
Saturday. Hi, sir. How are you?
Mamusang pa kalibangon.
Okay.
Spoiled brat na yun.
Okay, you're coming back here.
Okay, yes, of course.
Thank you. Sige. Pakita ko lang. Okay. I am willing to go to hell as long as the people is served live in paradise. Wow. Grabe, no? Kuya, kayo mga sulti ni Tatay Digong diri ba? So papakita ko lang sa inyo to guys. Mga sinasabi ni Tatay Digong, oh. So yun. Hanggang June 2 po itong exhibit dito sa Lan Van Riegan. Partners. Malapit lang to sa train station dito sa Den Haag. Ayan. Ano? Papakita lang namin sa inyong lahat. Yun po, exhibit. So mga ibang lahi po ay pumunta dito, binabasa nila lahat to. At nandito rin si Senator Robin Padilla, in-explain niya lahat yung mga nagawa ni Tatay Digong. Yan, no? Will take care of itself. Wow, grabe yun. Kakaiyak naman to mga exhibit ni Tatay dito. Basta-basta. Wait lang ha. Dapat pala doon ako sa kabilang Facebook nag-live. Mabuhay kayong lahat mga partners, hanggat gusto ninyo. Ay napakita ko lang sa inyo ang sitwasyon dito ngayon sa The Hague, Netherlands. Kung saan hanggang ngayon nandito pa rin ang ating Tatay Digong. Hello ma'am. How are you? Yan, a leader steadfast and true, guiding with your threats and deep wisdom, gratitude profound. We raise our voices. Yan. So, tuloy po. Yan po, Senator Robin, nandyan po mga partners. Na-explain niya sa taong bayan. Ang sabi niya sa mga puti. Aso ay regalo na ko. Senator Robin, mga partners, na-explain niya sa mga puti ang mga exhibit ni Tatay Digong. Ayan, explain niya.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Mabuhay! Thank you, sir. How are you?
How are you?
I like your jacket, ha? It's very green.
Oy, Sir Anton,
Hi,
happy
ma'am.
birthday, oy.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wait, ma'am.
Hindi, tapos.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
No, hindi pa.
Oh,
Sino nagsabi?
Hindi ka magbiso-biso. Happy birthday, man mo. Ang gwapo dyan kayo siya.
Dili
Wait, sir,
na ako
wala
birthday mo.
kami ugma, sir. Ay, ugma
Happy
ba?
Welcome!
Kay 16, karon holiday.
Happy birthday!
Wait. Mati lagi may Espanya o Portugal. Paingon
sa?
taman
I learned it
16.
from Sir
Huh?
Paingon sa
Robin, eh?
16. Taman 16.
Taman?
16.
Cancel sa.
No, nakakuha naman siya sir. Kay ang iyang expasyant sir ba? Yung expasyant, nag-invitar man dito sa
You
kuan.
need to cancel your trip.
No, the expasyant
Because
is,
they're so important.
I think Saturday we must be in Spain.
we must
Ha?
be in Spain. That's why we kuan ugma sa gabi. Mag-travel mi ugma sa gabi.
Ah, bakit bukas? Dapat
Kayang-kaya.
Monday na lang. You can travel Monday.
Ang iyang
No, then they are gone in Spain. They go direction France and then to the house.
Ah, tell him
We
to come here.
meet each other
You meet in the air.
close. No, by car. We meet each other close to Barcelona.
Uy, happy birthday. Sir, itik sa tati
Ma'am,
ka.
good morning. Ay, si ma'am.
What's your age, sir? 25?
Ha?
Almost 25?
No, my birthday is September.
Why? It's your birthday.
Yeah, it's his birthday. I want to invite you
No,
to
it's September.
kuan for September.
No, September po eh.
To eat, going out for eating. What is not enough? No, darling, we don't invite him because it's not his birthday. Wait, nag-adto mi dito.
Man,
Wala
he
ko
will come, eh?
Asan?
Dito sa ilang
Ah,
He will come to the
Wala
house,
may
eh?
gani. Wako kakita ni mga nag-live. Nakakita ako ni Kuan nga nag-live ni Mama Ribik.
Ah,
Timing kayo.
ba?
Mm.
Wait lang ah.
It's not your birthday.
No, not
We,
yet.
we planning to
September.
invite him to go
birthday is
going
September.
out for eating for his birthday.
I want to.
Yeah, treat you.
My birthday is every day. Oh, you see something? There's a lot of followers, 500 followers.
Uy, sir, ano dito ang dito di ba? Kuan ni tatay dito.
Ah.
Gitry ni Peter
Kabalo na nga
kana.
sa buang-buang diri.
Gitry ni Peter kana ma-iris man siya.
Ah, meron siya.
Makuan siya. Manas Peter nga ma-iris.
It's easy to raise. I think with a kind of soap, it's on my nails already.
Ano ba? Sir Aldo,
Magandang tanghali.
sir, hanggang kailan po yung ano dito, sir? Yung
The
exhibit.
exhibit will last until June 2 and we can stay here every day
Aha.
as a maximum 50 as well.
Aha.
But on May 31 we will all be here instead of the 30th Street. The event for ICC sending back will be in Lanban, Regan, and Gorbachev behind the
Train station.
Den Haag Central Station.
Okay.
And I hope to see everyone on May 31.
So dito na yung final binyo, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anong oras po?
9 a.m. hanggang 12 p.m. but of course Filipino time. So that is something that we can
Filipino type is day.
that is yes, that's tentative.
Hanggang
9 a.m. to 12 p.m.
hanggang
Of course,
12 lang?
every day, but of course every day we can still stay here until 6 p.m.
Oh, sir, sino po yung mga inaasahan nating mga kilalang personalidad, sir, na darating?
Wala pa siya sa program so I can't say.
Ah, okay,
I know
pero
but I can't say.
pero meron, marami.
Ano na ako ibubulong ko na lang sa'yo.
Okay, mga partners. Thank you, Sir Aldo. Tulong na lang ni Sir Aldo yung mga personalidad na pupunta. Pero at marami mga partners, alam niyo na yun.
Aldo.
Wait lang ha.
Philippines is
Can you hold first?
+6.
You can see something.
7 p.m. sila.
What is this?
600 people view.
Shout out. Galing. You see, shout out to Patrick Ilocain and San Fernando. +6.
Shout out in Lugait and Cebu, San Fernando.
Okay, Ruben Padilla is here.
Here, Ruben Padilla is here.
And
Mangaka. Duterte! Ambot ni mo, sir. What you doing now? No.
Sige, something. Continue.
Gitwin man ko dali. Okay, ikaw pag-shout out.
Ale.
No, shout out, guys.
Hello, guys. Hello, guys.
Yeah, you do like that turning for Ruben Padilla.
Change that cam.
Hey. Sir Anton, wait.
Yeah, change that cam. That I can go around. Okay. all for our president, to support him here in Den Haag. Coming from Belgium, someone of the Philippine news give me the cam. Indeed, fate has many faces. Here, our true leader, Dirty. It's a real leader between the people, the Philippine. True leader. His dreams and visions forever. Here. We are not Filipinos for nothing. Sorry for interrupt you. I bring back the cam to the owner. Sabi ko! You dirty! Here, my friend.
Thank you, my friend.
Sabi ko,
So,
How many followers? 5?
500.
Eh?
Guys, mag-end muna ako kasi may importante akong tatawagan. Sorry for...
Sorry.
Lipat tayo sa Solid Filipino, mga partners.